Yo.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go for a run, and I brought this goon back with me. Hey, come here. So he's gonna run like the first 2 or so miles with me. He can't run much farther. He's very out of shape. But so yeah, I'm gonna do a little vlog while running today. And we're gonna be accompanied by this little goon. Are you gonna go for a run? You gonna go for a run? You wanna go for a run? We're gonna go for a run. Yeah. He knows what that means. It's time to go. So we're waiting for my location. He's sniffing around, just exploring, having a good time. So it's been like a third of a mile, and we just stopped 3 times. Now he's moving. So we've stopped 3 times in the past like 10 seconds so we could pee and poop. Very obnoxious. Come on. Hey. Okay. Now he's gonna be trying to sprint because he is now lighter. Doesn't have that added weight. No, we're not stopping again. He needs this. Oh. He's been pent up in the house and just very anxious. So I think this will be good for him. He's pulling me along at a really decent pace too. So, but it won't last long. Okay, let's go. Oh, shoot. We just finished our run, and I cannot go on the sand club. I'm not giving you a bath. Not going in there. So today is just a really short run for me. I'm just now starting to run easy again. Because for the past week I have not been running, or not been running very much. I've been running what's been tolerated, because just a few days ago, well, last Monday, today is Sunday, so last Monday, during our speed workout, I ended up tweaking my quad, my right quad. It was extremely painful. We had like a hard 250 workout. No, that's deer poop, no. And I guess my muscles weren't completely warmed up properly, because I was about 10 steps into the first one when my quad just seized up, and I literally like had to limp to a stop. That was not the best feeling. It felt like somebody was performing that good old like 1,000-degree knife challenge that took over YouTube last year. but they were like inside my leg trying to cut their way out with a 1,000-degree knife. That's a really, really nice sensation, guys. Are you looking at yourself in the mirror? Are you getting skinnier? Are you losing some weight? So, now it's time to roll out and do some ab work and see what he thinks about abs and rolling out and see if he'll join me. And time to rehydrate with my favorite kind of Gatorade. Whoops. The G2 Clear Mixed Berry. A little post-run snack. Pumpkin seeds for our high in sodium and protein. Both good things for after running. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.